Okay, so Anna's gonna take one. Take that one.
It's actually terrifying.
So these are Immune C super shots, basically packed with vitamin C's. And we're gonna take them. So we're gonna go ahead and try these. You take it all at once?
You're gonna mix it?
Yeah, we'll shake it up a little bit. And this has organic camu and organic raspberry. I think it has like ginger, right? It's all like ginger.
It smells like a ginger a lot.
You can sit there and just drink it all.
I'm gonna drink it all.
Cheers to our first Vlogmas! Here you go. It's kind of nasty at the bottom. It's like medicine, or vitamins.
It's not bad at all. That's bomb.
I like the bottom of it.
It just tastes like grapefruit.
Oh, it does. Since it is the first Vlogmas, I kind of want to show you guys our Christmas tree. This is what it's looking like right now. We did blue and like a silver gold this year. And so all the decor, all the decorations are basically like a silver gold and blues, different shades of blues. And of course the nacimiento. We have to have it up every year. I love this. I feel like this matches with this so well. I'm going to put anything here, but... Oh, there's that little blue candle. But yeah. We have the nacimiento here. We've had this for like years. Probably like a good 20 years or more. And then there's a Christmas tree. And then my mom also changed the pillows just so it goes more with like the color schemes. And here's the table setting that she kind of made. That's so cute. And then my parents and my brothers are outside working on the outdoor decor, which I'll show you guys in a bit when it's all lit up. I think it's gonna be lit up. So here's our Christmas tree. The Christmas tree's right there. Here's our Christmas tree. Cute. And then here's our reindeer. Cute. Look at those. So cute. How big should these get? Yay! Okay, so for our Muddy Buddies, you're gonna need Chex cereal. We are gonna use M&M's Holiday Edition. Then we're gonna use some creamy peanut butter. What's this? Powdered sugar and your chocolate of your liking. We chose the Ghirardelli milk chocolate flavored melting wafers. Recording. Okay, so you want me to do this? Can you just like grab this thing and like pour all the chocolate in? Because I don't get chocolate in your gloves anymore.
I just want to point out that I brought the cookies and I made the cookies.
Hi, I'm Karina and I brought the cookies.
I sound like a Disney Channel. Wow, wow, yeah. That was bomb. It tastes like abuelita. Why is it not focusing?
Okay, let's go ahead and... I'm wearing a sweatshirt. He's gonna be like, why the hell are you wearing my shirt? It's the Christmas spirit. So all we did was put 2 scoops of this peanut butter in here, and I'm currently mixing. And I have the powdered sugar bags ready to use. So we're gonna mix it up a little bit more and then throw it in. And he's gonna mix up the cereal with the peanut butter, chocolate, and the powdered sugar. We might need more powdered sugar, no? Maybe. Here is our Christmas Muddy Buddies. Okay, try one. I'm gonna try one too.
It's like peanut butter. Like
It's a lot like peanut butter, huh? It's good though.
Wanna try it?
Go! Put it in the mouth! Chocolate, peanut butter, and sugar.
What do you think? Honestly, rate 1 through 10.
8.
Let the games begin! So I'm doing a project on how zoo animals react when you put them in captivation. They can't hear me. They don't know what I'm saying. Here we have a gorilla. And then we have a chimpanzee. Do you see how they interact with each other? The chimpanzee's very impatient. I have no idea what I'm saying. And the gorilla is... Look at the gorilla. They're very independent gorillas. This chimpanzee is... Okay, so now I've noticed that zoo animals go crazy when in captivation. And my experiment is over. I really like these. They're so cute. So we got the tree layered up with all the ornaments now. ¿Qué nomás esta, mami? Ta-da-na. And I'm giving them their 10-minute break because they deserve it. But I'm going to be back to work for the next couple days.
Paid. This is not. We don't have human rights with this moment.
Thank you guys so much for watching day 1 of my Vlogmas. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and keep up with this month's Vlogmas or this year's Vlogmas. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.